Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic of HTML, that is how to embed YouTube video in HTML webpage. Okay, prior to this session, we have already discussed many other ways to include the media in HTML webpage like video, audios, right? And also we discussed different scenarios where we can customize the video as well as add audio for the webpage. So in this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will talk about the another way through which we can include the media by embedding the YouTube video. Okay, so by the end of this session we will be able to understand the concept that we use in order to embed the YouTube video on HTML web page. We will also see the example, output, as well as the benefits of using or embedding the YouTube video. Clear? But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, so that you can easily understand the ongoing topic. Why? Because they all are connected with each other. The entire playlist is in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for time being, we are just focusing on the embedding video. Okay, so I think now we are good to start with the code. So here you can see we have just noted down the basic HTML code, which shows one title in the head section, one heading in the body section, which is HTML by Tech Sharmit, and that's it, right? So if I show you the output of this code, it would come like this, where it will show the heading. So let me show you. This is the heading, HTML by Tech Sharmit. Okay, now for the demo purpose, I have copied one YouTube video link. You can use any YouTube video link. Okay, and this we will use for the demo purpose. Now what I will do, I will simply put one heading here, and heading would be process to embed YouTube video in HTML web page. Okay, so we just added this line and it will look like this: process to embed YouTube video in HTML web page. Now to embed any video from YouTube, we would need iframe. Now if you don't know what is iframe, it's completely fine, because there we have already few sessions related to iframe where we discussed all the things in detailed manner, like what is the iframe, why do we use iframe, and all those related things, right? So for now, like, I can simply say that yes, iframe is an element that allows us to embed one web page to another or one item into another. Clear? So for embedding the things, we would use the iframe. Clear? So this is clear that we have to use iframe. But if you remember, in one of our session, we were trying to access the YouTube through iframe, but there we were facing some issues, and the issue would like this. Issue was could not connect, something like this. I'll show you in this example also, like what is the exact issue. But yes, there was some issue related to the YouTube video embedding. So we will also see like how we can fix that issue. So let's start here. So here I will firstly write iframe, which is mainly for embedding the things. So if you take your mouse here, it will show you that the iframe element represents a nested browsing context. Okay, now after adding iframe, we will add src, which will ask for the video which we want to embed here. So I'll simply copy it from here, then I'll put it in a source src part, save it and refresh it. So after a refresh, you will see that video place is there, but there's no video. In fact, if you take your mouse cursor here, it will show you www.youtube.com refuse to connect. So what does it mean? It means that there is no response from the YouTube end, and YouTube has responded that it has refused to connect. YouTube refused to connect. So then how we will use it? How we can access it? So to access it, we need to do some modification in the link. And what is that? If you look at this link, this is the shortened link provided by YouTube. Okay, so here in place of youtube.b, remember one thing, this is not YouTube, it's youtu.be. so we don't need this. Instead of this, we will write here www.youtube.com/. okay, so is it enough if we write like this, www.youtube.com? let's see, save it, refresh it. No, still it is showing that it is refused to connect. Then what we are supposed to do? After this .com, we will use embed. Okay, embed, and that's it. Now if you save it and refresh it, you will see, okay, something is wrong. Maybe I missed something here, but yeah, let me check what I missed here. So overall, like, we have to replace the youtube.b with this part. So you can simply write here www.youtube.com/embed in small e. Now you can save it and refresh it. Let me save this first and refresh it. So now you can see video has been inserted. Okay, so what it means, like, if we change it to capital E, it is showing error, but when we write it in a small e, it is. So this is completely case sensitive. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are providing it in a wrong case, right case, sorry. Okay, all right, so we have added this YouTube video now, but you can see we can play the video and it is as expected, that is okay, but are we getting it in a proper width and height? No, not yet. So how we can fix this thing? Let's say if I want to show this video with 100% height, so is it possible? Yes, it is. For this, you just need to set few attributes for the iframe, and here I will write width. In width, we will write 100%. Then we will save it and refresh it. So now you can see this video is coming with a frame 100% width. Likewise, we can set height here. In height, we will put 400 pixels, save it and refresh it. So this video is coming with a 400 pixel height. Okay, likewise, if you want to set the let's say width in pixels itself, so you can write 500 and 500. Now save it and refresh it. So now you can see this video is coming with a 500 pixel height and 500 pixel width. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the iframe in order to fetch the information related to, in order to embed the YouTube video. Clear? So whenever there is a need where you are supposed to embed the YouTube video, and not only it is not fixed that we have to use any particular video. You can use any video. Okay, it doesn't matter that that we have to pick any specific thing. What is the most important thing here is make sure that you are providing the youtube.b. You have replaced the youtube.b with the exact complete location, which is www.youtube.com and /embed. And this is case sensitive, so always put it in a right case, otherwise it will show you the message error that YouTube has refused. Okay, so if I show you the difference of earlier and the current situation, so you will find that if we use the exact scenario, that means if we use the exact, maybe we can put heading here H2 so that you can see the difference. Video without modifying YouTube link. Okay, so here I'll simply write, in place of this link we will put the actual link which we copied from the YouTube video. And if you try to run it, you will see that in the first video we are getting the video as it is, but in second one we are getting this message www.youtube refused to connect. Clear? So I hope this entire process is clear to you, like how we can embed the YouTube video through iframe. And this is, as I'm saying that this is one of the important topic, because yes, in project there might be some need where we are supposed to embed YouTube video to our website. So in that situation, you can simply use iframe with src and by modifying the YouTube video link. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. Now we have one question for you, and today's question is it mandatory to use controls attribute for the audio files in YouTube? Not in YouTube, in web page. So please do share for your answer for this question in the comment section, and those who will provide the consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.